Everyone, Medicaid is back at the forefront after health officials announced an 85% increase in reimbursement rates, an adjustment that hasn't been that high since the pandemic.
The governor's office says this increase is all due to improving stronger oversight within Medicaid, which officials say saved the state around $26 million. Louisiana First News reporter Deshaun Johnson shares who is impacted the most by this change.
It's something new state leaders and health officials say could be a huge benefit to Louisiana.
The Louisiana Department of Health and Hospitals announced new Medicare rates for providers for the people who are going to impact the lives of 1.6 million people in this state.
State Senator Gerald Boudreaux says they've been working to get this finished for a while. Their priority hotspots were aimed at rural hospitals. Many people who are on Medicaid may not have the same access as others, but Boudreaux says this can change that.
We know emergency room costs are gigantic when we're talking about health care. So by providing more dollars towards the providers, those people who are going to say, yes, I want to help those most in need, then we're able to definitely impact those lives, give them an opportunity to change their living habits, get them on a corrective plan.
Louisiana ranks 43 out of 50 in health system performance. Louisiana Health Secretary Bruce Greenstein says his biggest concern is working to make sure the quality of life and ranking increases.
I think we will be able to close the gap for those that are most complex, most vulnerable, and most in need to be able to see practitioners, whether it's a primary care physician, maybe physician's assistant, or a specialist much sooner to be able to address those needs.
Greenstein and the governor's office say that they give credit to Medicaid, saying this improved efficiency that saved money for the state.
This really opens it up and it allows specialists to see more Medicaid patients without putting their practice in bankruptcy.
Boudreaux says this is not only a move forward for those specialists, but for those who really need the help.
We're not just saying you're labeled as someone that's on Medicaid. We're saying you are important and we're going to get you the health care that you want to and deserve to have.
Deshaun Johnson, Louisiana First News.
Boudreaux says the increase goes into effect immediately for providers.